Hello YouTube. Got something new right here. Well, actually it's kind of old. It's my wife's old laptop. And she doesn't use it anymore. I bought her a brand new one. It's an AMD laptop. It's got the bag. So I decided to install Botacera Linux on it. And now I put a bunch of Super Nintendo games on. It's pretty cool. Check this out. Yeah. Pardon my phone. I'm using my phone to do this video. There we go. I flashed the hard drive with Botacera Linux, and it's no longer a Windows operating system on it. It's pretty much a small gaming system. Even got this nifty little Super NES remote for it. But it's pretty much an old school gaming computer now. Give it a second, let it load up. Check that out. I don't have all the games installed, so let me turn this sound down. You can use the remote. I got this remote for like $6 on eBay. Came in 3 days. Let me turn the sound down. You can pretty much control everything with the remote. But I just wanted to show this. I mean, you could turn an old laptop into a little fun little gaming system. Check it out here. I haven't set up the Nintendo yet, but I've even scraped everything too, like I saw in videos on YouTube. Check that out. Here, let me go down to Super Mario World. That's one of my favorites. I'm using the remote too to do it. Let's see, Street Fighter. Almost there. Super Island. Super Bowling. Super Mario. There we go. Super Mario World. Oh, nope, that's Super Mario All-Stars. Hold up. There we go. Super Mario World. There it is. And it has little videos. Check this out. Press this button. And then boom. Goes to the game. Crazy, ain't it? The Wi-Fi works on the laptop, and that's how I was able to scrape everything. I pretty much used my other computer to flash a Botacera on the hard drive. I opened up the laptop and just stuffed it right in there and turned it on, and then boom, now I got a little portable gaming setup. It's not even plugged in. I mean, I have the power plug put away. It's pretty much cool, ain't it? Here, let me do this. And I kind of played it a little bit. Here, one player. Like I said, I saw a lot of videos on the Botacera program. Haven't really seen them use a lot of haven't really seen them use anything like a laptop, or if you have like an old laptop. So I thought I would give it a try. But like I say, everything pretty much works. It's pretty cool. Like I say, hope you like the video. But yeah, you can if you have like an old laptop that you're not using anymore, shoot, just look up some videos and install Linux Botacera on it. You'll can bring back some old memories from the 90s. All right, thank you.